Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the F8 key is not working on your keyboard, then watch this video for the fix. Now the first thing we need to do is check the function button. So the function button is located between the control button and the Windows button. So on your function button, it will be written on how to lock and unlock your function lock. So on my computer, it is function plus escape. So I will press function and escape and it will show me if it is locked. If it is locked, just press function escape again and it will unlock. So then you can use the F8 key. If this too doesn't work, then we can update the keyboard drivers. So for that, we'll go to device manager, click on it, and then look for keyboards. Right click on HID keyboard device and click on update driver, and do that for all the HID devices. Right click on it, update driver, scan and search automatically for drivers. And then we can restart the computer by going on the start button, clicking on the power button, and then clicking on restart, and the keyboard should work. If the F8 key still doesn't work after these solutions, that means it is physically damaged. So what we need to do is we need to unplug the keyboard if you plug in using a USB, and we need to connect it to another system. If it doesn't work on another system, then your keyboard is damaged. If it works on the other system, then repeat the two steps again. Check if you've done the unlock of the function key and updated the keyboard drivers, and the F8 key should start working if it's a software issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.